Well, welcome back, everyone. Another exciting day in markets. We've seen the market come down towards the center of a long-term channel. And in fact, on the NASDAQ front, perforate the center of that channel. Are we seeing weakness in the market? Is it about to come down to the bottom of the channel? Or are we seeing a market getting ready to bounce? Well, let's take a closer look at the primary market, the S&P 500. I'm going to zoom into the hard right edge over here. And what you can see is the market's come down to the center of that channel. It's had an oversold bounce, but that bounce has not taken us above structures of resistance that would open the door for us to repair and rally. Nonetheless, we are in a marketplace that's expecting some form of a Santa rally. At least that's what a lot of folk out there are expecting. And we've come down into a support structure, tested it, reversed up off of it. If we do see price action on the primary market, the S&P E-minis get back up and above roughly 68.40, and that's using the Z contract. Above there, the door does open for a run up towards the all-time highs or higher, the all-time highs being in the back end of October. Now, today and this week and leading into this week has been some great trading over in the active trader room and on WealthCharts. We've been in a downtrend channel since December the 11th, and today there was a lot of volatility rising up to the top, backing off from the top into the end of the day. Using our technical tools, I was able to trade both the ES and the NASDAQ over the course of the day, individual accounts only, and keeping the trades between 2 to 5 contracts. And I'll give you a little view of how that looked. It yielded just a little over $8,000 across about just over a half dozen accounts traded in front of members in the active trader room and on WealthCharts. So it's been some great trading opportunity overall, where I come into the room, identify the setup, take a look at the current signals, and then pick the spot and execute, and things are going very well. Now, that's really largely due to the powerful tools on this incredible WealthCharts platform that I use day in and day out, and all of the strategies and tactics that I've developed over the years, and combined with champion trader Rob Hoffman's tactics as well. He's won 35 international and domestic trading competitions, real money trading competitions, and that's not by a mistake. So using his tools like the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit, my tools like the Triple S tool, combining them together to identify those sweet spots where there are opportunities for day trades is what we're doing, and this is a very tradable market overall. Now, if you're interested in learning how to take these amazing tools, put them to work, and get a good sense of how the market is likely to play itself out into the back end of this year, well, there's a do not miss session coming up on Thursday this week. It's with my friend Dr. Keith Wade and, of course, yours truly, myself. It starts at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be discussing the strategies, the tools, the tactics that we each use in our prop trading accounts in order to achieve more consistency and success overall. If you're in that prop trading world and interested in learning how to get your eval accounts moved up a notch, well, guess what? Dr. Keith is going to be coming in with lots of his strategies on mastering Heikin-Ashi trading to help ace your prop trader evaluations. And I'm going to be coming in with both day and swing trading strategies, utilizing the combination of Rob Hoffman Champion Traders tools and my tools to give you that edge. It's a do not miss session. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Get your seat now. Thursday morning, December the 18th, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. We go live. It's not a recorded session, so we're looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day.